All right, y'all, back at you.
Hi.
Today we're gonna show you how to. Come on, we're on camera. We're gonna show you how to make one of these. What is it?
It's a basket.
Oh
Anyway,
man, okay.
I make these baskets.
Which one? Where is it?
Start it.
All right, y'all, back at you. What we got today, babe?
Sawtooth palm baskets.
Oh, cool.
So, this is a sawtooth palm, and it's I believe it's a native palm here in Central Florida. It's flowering right now. It definitely brings tons of pollinators.
Yeah, this one. Oh, there's a bee on it right now. This one It does
Yeah.
attract lots of bugs.
And then the seeds people use for all kinds of medical or health benefits, which you can look up and see. There's all kinds of benefits to soaking the beans or whatever.
Yeah, I actually read somewhere that they sell for a lot, right?
Like people put them in vodka, make like tinctures with them, and it's good for.
I thought I read that they sold for like I don't know, a lot. But anyway, sorry. Go ahead.
Yeah, I think it's good for like prostate health and hair growth and has all sorts of stuff. But we don't do anything with them. But I do make baskets out of them.
And I think she has one around here somewhere to show you guys. Did you bring an example of the?
Here's the example.
This is the basket?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Not only does this plant protect your prostate, but these baskets do
Apparently.
too.
Yeah, apparently. So, yeah, the joke there
Brent
is that.
thinks they look like.
Yeah, I think she's making Tarzan loincloths here. I don't know. What do you guys think? I guess technically it does hold the oranges, so I guess you could call it a basket.
Alright, so I cut this way deep down at the base of it, because if you have sticks like this, with the kids, they can get hurt if they fall on
Oh, you mean you don't want to leave the sticks sticking out here in our yard?
Yeah,
because if they fall and poke their eye out.
Yeah, they could poke their
Gotcha.
eye out.
Okay.
Alright, so I cut the handle off, and then I scrape these down, and then the kids put like ribbons on them and turn those into other things. Or you could make a basket handle, which is what I did for this beautiful basket.
We got a basket case making basket handles. No, I'm just... All right, look, y'all. For real, I love my wife, and she's super talented, but these baskets are... I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Comment below if you think I'm way out of line here.
Alright, so I group them together by twos or threes, and I split them going down to the center.
You ever
And
cut
if
your
you-
hand doing that?
No, these don't seem to be a problem. The reason why I group them together like this is if it's too tight to do like each one singly. I've tried. So
To weave, you mean?
Yeah, to weave.
Oh, I
and
see,
then they also
yeah.
go quicker if you can.
Gotcha.
So I just go, I start going over. And this is probably one of my easiest baskets to make that I've learned.
Basket.
Baskets to hold whatever you wish. Alright. So then after I'm done going through, I just pull it back through to overlap it so that there's no like loose ends. And sometimes it's helpful to think I have like a clip. You can clip it to hold it in place with the binder clip if you feel like you need to. So I like to kind of like weave them like as like a thick piece so that hold on. I gotta go back here because under, over, under. I'm gonna, and then over that. Sorry. Alright, sorry guys. Let's do that again. So, over, under, over, under, under, over, and this one will cut back through the front. And the next one, this one will hold this in place once you get it going. I always go over under at the first. And one thing that's really nice about using the sawtooth palm leaves, unlike other palm leaves, this one has a really pretty color and it seems to stay green for a long time.
Yeah, I mean you can see that there's a difference in color here, but it's not as big of a difference as when she's made other.
It doesn't turn brown. It takes a long time for them to turn brown. And go over, under. And once you get to this point, it's almost done. And we'll just lift them up and just put it right back to kind of fold it back over on itself. Over, under,
Of course, you want to use a green leaf too, not a dead leaf.
You want one of the ones like that is sticking straight up because that's the freshest, nicest leaf. All right, I'm almost done here, guys. All right. So now I'm gonna take, when you have 3 left like this, at the end of this one, I group it with this short, this is the shortest one. That way I can braid it all together. And so I have 3 to braid. And so I just do a normal braid here. Let's go over with this one first. Over, over, And then I knot it. And then you can trim these because these are way folded into the basket. They've already been folded back. And then you can kind of like shape it, pull it out a little bit, and get it to...
You need a plus size loincloth.
I've done a few things with these. I hang them like this. And I'll put like air plants in them as like a plant plant hanger.
What? Why are you laughing?
Because you make fun of my baskets. And then
I don't make fun of. Hold on. I don't make fun of all your baskets. I mean, come on, guys, look at that.
Alright. You could also like leave this on the. You could have the stem on there. And you could put it in like a bouquet and like make it like a braided leaf part of the bouquet or something too. But anyways, I think these are cool baskets. I like the way that the leaves age over time. They hold up for a long time. You can make a small little basket like that, or you can make like another hanging basket, or put plants in them, or hang them in your tree, and then it just it is biodegradable. So if you put like a staghorn fern or some other kind of you know, plant that grows up in trees, to get it going, you can put this up in there and hang it from your tree, and then once the plant takes over, you don't have to worry about it having like, you know, a piece of wood or plastic or whatever in the middle of it. So I think these are kind of cool. It's just a fun little like craft to do. You can put cookies in it and give it to your neighbor. I don't know, it's just a nice little basket.
All right, y'all. Well,
I hope you enjoyed.
Yeah, we'll let you guys decide. But anyways,
Would you like
my wife worked hard here, so
would you like to try it on?
yeah, see? It's not a basket at all. She's sick of buying me boxers. All right, y'all. Anyways, if you liked her basket, I finally learned how to put a subscribe button in this corner.
And if you do
Maybe
use it
this
for
one.
a loincloth,
Yeah,
make sure there's no ants on it.
Yeah, and you know, and if you didn't like her basket, don't judge our whole channel based on that. We got other stuff to watch. So. No, I'm just joking. All right, well, until next time, guys. We hope you all take care.